Today is Saturday, February 2nd. The time is 5:11 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Rookies and Stars Longevity Box Break number 6. Good luck, everybody. Saints, Jimmy Graham. Texans, rookie, Case Keenum. Seahawks, Sidney Rice. Jets, Mark Sanchez. 49ers, Alex Smith. Cowboys, Tony Romo. Cardinals rookie, Ryan Lindley. Giants, Jason Pierre-Paul. Patriots, Rob Gronkowski. Eagles, Michael Vick. Colts, Colt McCoy. Colts rookie, Levon Brazil. Freshman orientation, Dolphins jersey, Ryan Tannehill. Texans, Matt Schwab. Titans, Nate Washington. Fred Davis, Redskins. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Vikings again, rookie, Greg Childs. Buccaneers, freshman orientation jersey, Doug Martin. Cardinals, Beanie Wells. Broncos, Willis McGahee. Seahawks, Tavarius Jackson. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Dolphins again, PJ Cunningham, jersey. Rookie. Jets, Stephen Hill, Dress for Success, jersey. Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Ravens, Ed Reed. Chargers, Phillip Rivers. Greg Olson, Panthers. Browns rookie, Travis Benjamin. Seahawks, Dress for Success, jersey, Robert Turbin. Owen Daniels, Texans. Redskins, Rex Grossman. Jets, Plaxico Burress. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Packers again, rookie, Nick Perry. Chiefs rookie, Dontari Poe. Seahawks, Kellen Winslow Jr. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Redskins, Pierre Garçon. Vikings rookie, Nate Khalil. Bills rookie, Stephen Gilmore. Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. Bengals, Ben Jarvis Greenhouse. Falcons, Michael Turner. Ravens, Courtney Upshaw. Packers, statistical standouts, Jordy Nelson. Giants, Jason Pierre-Paul. Mike Tolbert. Panthers. And the last pack, Giants, Ahmad Bradshaw. Chiefs rookie, Devin Wiley. Dolphins, greatest hits, Carlos Dansby. Bengals, Andy Dalton. And the last card, Rams, Steven Jackson. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks ending tonight for 2012 football, Panini Black.